Good morning, welcome back to Casa.texpina. We're on build day number 264, for real this time, 264. Today's Wednesday, Bali Day. We've got our general labor crew here on site with the addition of our electrician because we are expecting to have our generator vendor here on site this afternoon, right after lunch. Apparently is what we prearranged. He will be here to set up the automatic transfer switch and test and commission the Genset. So y'all stick around for that, and we'll go ahead and watch and see what everybody else is doing this morning, and let's get started. Alrighty folks, let's go on inside the house, see what things are working this morning. This is Mr. Allen. Looks like we're putting the nicely dried cabinet drawers into the master closet. Let's go take a look, see where he's putting those. Excuse me. Yes, we are starting to put these in location. He does have them numbered, so he knows exactly where each one goes. So we'll come back a little later, and he's going to be putting knobs on these as well. So they'll all have the knobs in the center. Similar design throughout the entire master bedroom area, master bath area. And this morning, Mr. Ricky's still continuing to work on our baseboards, doing a little touch up, get the fine detail work. I need to go buy him those little the little paint brushes we use for like watercolors and stuff, you know, the little bitty fine tip. Also in here in the kitchen, our electrician was on site this morning, so he reconnected our outlets and light switch over here on this side, and did a little troubleshooting on this side because this one here, the light wasn't coming on. Turned the switch, everything else on the circuit was on, but the light wasn't coming on. So that's all working now. So nice to have the resident electrician on site. And let's go see what's going on across the street. Mr. Stanley's doing a little site cleanup for us this morning before we get going. Always appreciated. And our resident painters are starting on more drawers for the different areas. So this is for the cabinets, and this one looks like it's for the what do you call that? The linen, coat closet. The coat closet. This is what this is for. All right, the master closet. All the drawers are in. Next step is to put all the knobs. So we'll be working on those. And the other thing Mr. Allen is helping us out with is, again, more remotes. So these are all the remotes for our ceiling fans. So we've got five of them here, and they're going to go in different spots. So we've got the one for here in the closet, one in the master bedroom, and then the other side of the house. So he's going to start putting those up for us as well. Oh no, lost audio again. Mr. JR is doing some retouch with the airbrush, air painting with the compressor. These are some of the different drawers throughout the house. Also, Mr. Henry is over here still working on macias and sanding, so a little bit of the wood putty and sanding to get these smooth and ready for the next step in the painting process. Okay, also lost another audio. Here in the garage, Mr. Stanley has been working on the door frames, so we're getting the final color on the door frames. Working our way around the garage and also putting in the color towards the bottom. Okay, let's go take a look on the inside. right here. Let's follow Mr. Ricky in. He's working up on the scaffolding, doing a little repair and touch-up work up on the ceilings. So put a little bit of putty up there for the dry gypsum board to cover up all the holes that we made with the poking the wires through for the lighting and securing those anchor bolts in the ceiling. So he's covering that up with a little bit of putty, and then we're going to paint it up a little bit later. All right, something new going on up here in the attic. We're getting our floorboards painted. So doing a little bit of paint, doing the gray paint to help protect the fiber cement board, our floorboards. So, and this will be all the way around. And then once that's completed, we'll go back and they will repaint all of the walls, just an off-white, simple color, just to be able to reflect the light from all the lights here, so that it all reflects out and we can see what's going on up here. So, Mr. Ricky's getting started on that. Uh-huh. Malisangan ne. Said it's very humid up here. Alright, let's see what's going on here in the garage. Looks like we're getting our doors painted. Door frames. A nice door frame going on. A little gray everywhere. A little bit of touch up. Still waiting on our generator guy to show up, and it's close to the end of the day. Let's go ahead and take a look back here in the bedroom number 2, where Mr. Allen was working earlier on the drawers. I think I still hear him. Yep, still doing a little cleaning, but the drawers are going in place. And I bet you they ride smooth. Yep. They had to get some of the little bit of the paint off of the rails, and then we'll have to do a little touch up here and there as necessary. And a little bit more touch up paint. So now that we're putting on the first coat of the actual paint, we'll come back to this later. Let's go ahead and check out here on the front. We see Miss Emie settling into her new job. And we thought we retired, right?
I don't have to do this.
Because unfortunately we want the grass to grow.
I know, and it's therapeutic.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
So all your troubles go away?
Yes.
And you're just like, oh, let me get some water over here on the grass.
Yeah.
Let me make all the mud come together as one.
Yes.
See, we're trying to join everybody. See all the cracks down here in the grass? So we're trying to make it all to where it all comes together.
There's a crack on the grass.
Uh-huh. Can't we just all get along? We gotta, all come together, right? All to come together.
Isn't that illegal?
No.
On the grass?
Grass is all good. In certain states, it's okay. Maybe not in this country, but
No, in this country they don't.
in the U.S., it's good. All right, well, we got a little more headway today. Another set of drawers is done. Just got to get the doorknobs put in. A little bit of touch-up paint down here on the bottom. So it's a little bit of paint, a little bit of putting things in. Got a little bit of paint up here. Need to do a little touch-up underneath. So we got the rough colors in. Let's go ahead and look out here in the garage, see what the other painters did. All right, we got our door frames all completed. All the doors are back off of the hinges so that they don't get paint on the doors. All right, we're getting there. And we're still, let's see, can y'all see that? 16:24. We're still waiting on the generator guy to show up. So I don't see him yet. We'll keep waiting. Okay, so you guys see the time here, 19:07. This is considered afternoon apparently. Our generator installers have arrived. Okay, so after checking our panel layout, they said they can only do up to 45, not 100. So they'll be back tomorrow morning. They're also checking the panel that we had for the ATS switch and bringing the cable needed for the automatic transfer switch. It has a cable, specific cable for itself that works and connects here. So they're going to end up putting the automatic transfer switch here and then connect the wire inside. So after waiting patiently all the way until 7 p.m., less than 5 minutes on site, and they determined that they need to take the auto transfer switch that they had given us earlier back to their shop to test it. And since they didn't bring the auto transfer cable, yeah, let's do it this way. Since they didn't bring the auto transfer cable with them, he just came in from Baguio, so had a very long trip all day. So we're gonna try this again tomorrow, again after lunch. So hopefully tomorrow is 1 p.m. as the owner mentioned. He said, I'll be here at 1 p.m. So we'll try this again tomorrow, folks. So that pretty much wraps up today's adventures of us waiting patiently. So if y'all like today's video, please give us a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these videos, hit the casa.texpina star right over here and you'll be subscribed. Hit the bell icon just below the view screen. You'll be notified of our next video upload for your viewing pleasure. So join us again tomorrow and have a good afternoon and God bless.